In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious coconut chicken nuggets, and they also happen to be gluten-free. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 pounds of chicken breast, a half a teaspoon of paprika, a half a cup of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a half a cup of milk. First thing you need to do is trim the fat from the chicken breast. Now cut the breast into nugget pieces. In a large bowl, mix the honey and milk together. Now place all of the chicken in the bowl. Place the chicken into the refrigerator and allow to marinate for 1 hour. In another bowl, mix all of the other ingredients together. Remove the chicken from the refrigerator and drain off the marinade. Now you're going to toss each piece into the flour mixture and coat thoroughly and place on a baking sheet. Bake the chicken in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for 10 minutes, and then turn each piece over and bake for an additional 10 minutes. Even if you don't follow a gluten-free diet, these are pretty tasty. If you do try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.